Hey y'all, welcome to Sunflower Tasha DIYs. I'm Tasha. I like to do arts, crafts, DIYs, recreations, Bible journaling, thrift, and trash lips on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my video today.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another collaboration, Third Thursday Thrift Flips. The hosts are Tammy and Marika, and they have a guest host, Terry, today. You can check out their YouTube channels down in my description box in the playlist today. The Rusted Willow, Marika's Creations, and Painting for Profits by Terry. They are some amazing people, and I'm so glad that I joined this collaboration today. So I asked on my old Facebook account if they wanted me to use that first one, this transfer, or this last transfer here. And I also use Find the Joy in the Journey also in this video. So this is what I'm going to redo today in my video, plus that little sign I also found at the Goodwill as well. So this was a Goodwill find, and I'm going to use some of this stripper paint or spray here to get this paint off. There was multiple colors. It took me like 6 cans to get off 6 different colors. So after I got what I could off, my husband used his tool here. I'm not sure what this tool is, maybe a grinder or something, to just smooth this out and get the excess paint off. And this is what we were looking like when it was all said and done. I also got some black screws and some of this paint right here, and I painted the entire thing and then put in the black screws. Then I'm going to use the transfer. I got it all taped down here. I'm using some of this newer paste, the Dreamy paste from Chalk Couture. This transfer is also from Chalk Couture. I am not a designer or anything like that with them, but I do have a lot of stuff in my stash because I used to be one. So I want to use a lot of their transfers, maybe to flip on furniture. So this I thought would be perfect to ask what to make on this. And this is what everyone chose. I would like to know which transfer you would which one you would have chosen. In the comments, just do like 1, 2, 3, or 4, what I'm already doing in this video. But this is how it turns out. Now you can see here where the lakes are that connect out to the oceans. They had a little bit of bleeding. So what we're going to do is use this little pointy scraper kind of tool here and just fix any bleeding that had happened. And you can like literally fix it so easily. It just scrapes right off and you just blow it away. And I used a Q-tip to like move mine away. But that's pretty much it here. And my daughter's kind of moving a little fast here in the video, so sorry about that. But this is a very old video that I've done, and I wanted to show it on my channel. So now I washed out that transfer just in my shower. I went and stuck it on the tile and just used the shower part to spray it down and left it there to dry, and now I'm reusing it again on this front panel, and then I'll repeat. Now I also found this at Chalk Couture, this little board at a Goodwill, and this was what the front of it looked like, and I cleaned it up, and it also come with that little stand there. I only paid $3 for this, but I had also cut off the top of the transfer that had Find Joy in the Journey, and I thought this would go very well just to sit on the table as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it turned out amazing, and I love that it's black and white. You guys know me with my black and white. So what do you guys think? And here I'm trying to grab this little dog hair and I finally got it. But yeah, and then I just took some of that shelf paper from the Dollar Tree and I lined the inside of it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out very, very pretty. Turned out very nice. I would have never known this was metal if I wouldn't have took off all that paint. But yes, here it is. What do you think, guys? Thank you, guys. Thanks to the host, and thank you for watching today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little table thrift flipped.
I'd like to thank the host today for having me on the playlist, and thank you to all my subscribers and all your continued support here on my channel. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps me grow on YouTube, and I appreciate all that you do when you do that. Also, if you hit that bell button, you can be notified every time I upload a new video.
Here is some more inspiration for some thrift flips that I've done in the past if you all are interested in watching that. God bless. Thank you so much for watching my video today.